Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Cooler Master MP511 XL gaming mouse pad. Check out the size. Everything looks great. 900 millimeters by 400 millimeters, and it's 3 millimeters thick. This is the XL version. It's got splash resistant fabric and anti-fray stitching all around. All right, now you can see I got some water right here, and watch what happens as we just drip it right onto the mouse pad. Check that out. Look at how cool that is. So you can see it just repels it at the surface,